Well, we are still watching earnings, so let's go over to Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre, who's got the breakdown on Chewy, the pet food distributor and provider. Jared, looks like down 11%. What happened in the earnings there?
Yeah, it was a huge miss on adjusted EBITDA. It came in at $23.3 million. That's down 70% quarter over quarter. The estimate was for about 50% higher at 34.8 million. So huge miss there. Net sales coming in at 2.16 billion, roughly in line with the estimate of 2.17 billion. Gross margin. There was a concern that labor costs were going to affect them. Also, wet food shortages are affecting their business. So gross margin came in at 27.5%. That's slightly less than the previous quarter, but it did beat the estimate by half a percentage point. That estimate was 27%. So all around the key numbers here, not that great. And here's a quote from the CEO. Customer engagement is growing, and we are confident in our ability to deliver strong results while navigating uncertain market conditions due to the ever-evolving COVID-19 pandemic. And that is the CEO, Sumit Singh. And also in the report, they are touting the fact that they have 20 million customers, and they're growing. And also net sales per active customers now exceeds $400 in the second quarter. Also, they're going to open up their third compounding pharmacy in Pennsylvania later this year. But let's take a quick look at the stock on the Wi-Fi Interactive. And I'm going to show you the price action from the very beginning, from their IPO. So this is a max chart, and we can see this is a pandemic low. This is their high in January. This whole trade here, this was the growth trade, and this was the fall off from the growth trade. We saw a lot of those high growth stocks fall off by quite a large margin, but now it has recovered about half of that amount, while it had as of the close. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Maybe some investors will do some howling themselves.
That was bad, Jared. Come on, man. That was bad.
Anytime I end with a pun, it falls flat. I got to tell you, I just got to do it, deadpan.